you do? She knows you. Well, make more sounds. I thought it was your hat. Tessa, I thought that was your hat. I thought it was your hat. Oh, it is your hat. That's great.
What are you?
I would think it's reincarnation, but you're not dead. So.
It's confusing.
It's a great hat. No, I'm writing a note. No, you can't write a note.
Oh my God.
This is horribly.
You're so mean to this baby.
What happened?
You don't let her do anything.